Hello everyone, this is Saddam. Welcome back to my brand new video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to discuss about cold email outreach technical setup. Okay, let's get started. First step, you need to purchase a domain separate from main domain. What do you mean by separate from main domain? Hello, this is the domain separate from main domain. Main domain would be backspin.com. Hope you understand. Okay. Second, set up domain on your DNS provider. Okay. Let's connect the domain. Look, Spreadsheet is my domain provider, and this is the domain. Now, I'm going to Google Workspace admin. Look, this is my admin. And now I want to add the domain in the admin, add domain. Now, add domain and start verification. Let's set up domain. Look, this is not Namecheap. So here is need to check this box, continue. And now copy the value and its text record and name would be default @. Go to add record, its text, hit on @ value, want it to be perfect, add. Again, go to admin panel and now check the box and confirm. It will take some time. Okay, done. Activate Gmail. Continue. And now process with activation. Look, domain host, you need to check this box because it's not selected automatically. Continue. And now record this annex record. Okay, priority 1 and point value is P. Now add record again. It should be annex. Return @ mx and this is below. And priority 1. It's also 1 minute at done. Now check the box and confirm. Okay, you all set. Okay, done. Now configure DNS record SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Let's do this. Okay, here's all the value. I have keep it on the Google Docs. Look, SPF. I just copy the value, text record, and default @. Add record, text record, and @ the value 1 minute at edit. Another DMARC. Okay. Okay, we'll add DMARC. But first, I want to add DKIM. So to add DKIM, go to apps and then Gmail. Go to authenticate email. And now select your domain. Generate new record. And add this record in your domain provider. Code, text. This is the name. And copy the value. Okay, 4 records are done. 1 record are remaining, which called DMARC. Okay. Before add DMARC, you need to create user because you need to add a email on this value. So I'm going to add email now. To add user email, go to home and add the user, add user. And now here's first name, last name. Also need to select the domain name. And now first name and last name. Okay. I just copy the first name and last name. Okay, add user. Want to save this. Password. Name should be same. Okay, done. Again, under one domain, you can set up 3 email. So try to create 3 email. And done. Another +1. Okay, successfully I create 3 username. And now I just copy on user to add DMARC. Sorry. Add record. It will be text. And would add, yep, add email. I just copy. And now this is the name. Text record. And this is the date. Check again. No space. Okay. Look, I have added successfully 5 DNS, and these 5 DNS record are very important to maintain the deliverability. Okay. Now I have configure all the DNS. Also add MX record and create business email. And now need to add custom tracking domain. It's same. Okay, I'll do it later. Now I want to set up domain forwarding. Okay, so look, here is the URL redirect option. Redirect to, redirect type, permanently, and it should be come. That's it. Okay, domain forwarding done. It's taking time. Done successfully. Now we remaining 2 options. One is custom domain tracking, another is warm up. Okay, I'll show it step by step. Now, uh, now warm up the domain. So go to your instantly and add email. Before that, you need to go Gmail and enable the required setting. Hit on setting, all setting, and forwarding and pop, and click on pop enable. Save. Done. Now connect your email to instantly. Okay. Click on it. Continue. Now your email are connected to instantly. This is the email which connect now, and go to setting. Look, here is the option custom domain. Hit on enable. Now do this record on your domain provider. Host a INST and type sign. Go to domain provider. Go to DNS and record CNAME. And Delo. Copy. Now should be one need and it. Now you need to save. Okay. So every setup you have done, now you can enable the warmer. Okay. Hit on enable successfully. Now after 2 weeks you can run the campaign. Hope this video helpful for you. If so, you can subscribe to my channel for the next video. Also, you can share this helpful video with your friends and family. Thank you very much for watching this video.